Hey guys, just give me a minute before this video starts. I'm trying to work on my intro. I'm trying to think of what song to use and how I'm gonna do it. But then again, just give me a minute. I'll see what I come up with. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today is another reaction video, and by the way, the intro that just happened, it's experimental, and I really hope that I can come up with a better one with how it works. Yeah, I'm gonna end up reviewing my video later after I get this finished. Yeah, I'm gonna review this video later after it's finished and ready to upload, and then I'll see how the intro went. Yeah, I have never done that intro before. This is the first time. Even though I probably should have test run it before I started this episode. But yeah, you're probably also noticing how... Excuse me. You're probably also noticing how the camera's not overly moving and I can use both my hands. That's because I finally have a camera stand, if you didn't catch up on the last two videos. Because first one that gave it away was my drumming short number 10, and my recent Batman video with it a lot more clearer on the camera. So now I'm gonna see how well this turns out with it being used for reaction videos. It's probably gonna suck because I did a tiny test run when recording with this. But let's just hope that it works. And this is not really a meme or something, but it's called Polar Express Off the Rails. And this video, it's uploaded by Landon's Animation Wheelhouse. That's a bit of a very long name. And it was uploaded a few days ago, actually. Actually, no, almost a month ago. 4 days until a month of its upload. So, yeah. And I'm just going to say this. The Polar Express was actually my favorite Christmas movie for a long time. I haven't seen it in a while, so I probably should catch up on it again. But yeah. Aside from me yapping for 3.5 minutes now, let's get this video started. I actually take it back. The screen, I just needed to re-angle a little bit, and it actually fits perfectly. Let's get this volume up. And yeah, like I said, without further ado, let's get this video started. Jesus! That's not how I remember the movie. Oh yeah, by the way, just in case YouTube decides to try to take this down because it's got stuff used from the Polar Express movie. This is made by Landon's Animation Wheelhouse, and it's basically a mini parody, if I had to guess, a parody of the Polar Express. So let's continue and see what else is gonna happen. Why is he on the front? Oh God. Oh, there actually was track. He's gonna fall. Oh. Okay.
That is more like it.
Yep. Uh-oh. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Get us the blazes out of here.
I don't remember that line. My God, what just happened? Wait. Where's the passengers? I just remembered in the movie there were carts with actual kids inside. Where are they? Are they dead? Oh no, they're still alive. They're right there.
Well, we are on a very tight schedule. And I've never been late before.
I don't overly like how the animation. Oh my God! What was that face? It just went by so fast. What is his face right there? My God! He's just right up in the camera. Just hello. Hello. Okay, let's just keep going.
Hey, you. Yeah, you. Do you know what kind of train this is? Well, do you?
And he's still got his questions from the movie. Oh yeah, by the way, this is going to be a bit of a long reaction video. The video is over 14 minutes. And just before you say that the Rhymes with Grug video was a long reaction video, those were different parts. And I had to keep pausing it because I was laughing so hard. So let's keep going.
Hey, you. Yeah, you. Do you know what kind of train this is? Well, do you?
Well, don't ya? My God, what is going on? Did they stop? They stopped. Oh no.
You coming?
the cart on the cart was stuck on the coal loader or whatever it was called.
You coming? Come on. I've got a schedule to keep. Oh. Get us the blazes out of here!
They're not even giving him a chance. Well, there goes your shovel. What is that?
Without the full express arriving on time. Am I the only one who understands that?
What is it? Is it another train?
Let me see your operating license, please.
I like how that scream entirely fit, because it's the police officer who came out of nowhere and left his left his car on the railroad.
Let me see your operator's license, please. Operator's license? Christmas may not be important to some people, but it is very important to the rest of us. Now, don't get purposely obtuse. Get us the blazes out of here!
Oh my God, that line actually fits, like, probably the best I've seen so far. Just, get us the blazes out of here! Just saying that, trying to get away from a cop.
The blazes out of here!
Uh-oh. Oh my God! Oh no! Oh no, the danger.
Is everything all right? What should we do?
Hey, what are you doing here?
The know-it-all guy is just there, everywhere. Oh, it's that guy. This will be interesting. Oh my god. Wait, where is... Oh my god. As soon as he crashed, you can hear him laughing, just like he actually enjoyed that. Like, what? Hold on, where... Listen, you can actually hear him laugh as he crashed.
We need to get this train back on schedule.
That didn't sound like Tom Hanks. Wait, he's controlling it now? What happened to the other people? A flux capacitor.
Well, that is more like it.
Did he time travel ahead of time? Or reverse time and teleport to the North Pole?
There is the North Pole.
That bit where he was surprised fit perfectly.
Is the North Pole.
Where? Wait.
Driving the train.
Wait a minute. If they're in there, he's right. If those two are in there, who's piloting that thing? Come on, man.
Train down. How are we ever gonna be able to get through here? Look.
He's smacking him. Uh-oh. Yeah, they definitely got to slow down. That is going way too fast.
Maybe I should pull this lever. No, he said this was the brake.
Oh, no.
Watch out.
Wait, if they're going there, where are they going? Yeah, you're gonna crash. Where are you going? Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, don't fall. Don't fall.
It's gonna be okay.
That's not good. Yeah. Hold on. How fast was that thing falling? Very fast. That is deep. For years, I've been questioning how deep was that and where does it go? I guess we're about to find out, if you've been wondering the same thing.
The bell. What bell? The sleigh bell. I don't hear any.
It's crazy you even got to... What is that? I do not remember that from the movie.
The bell. It's coming from that tunnel. Are you sure?
That face. That face. Are you sure? I'm doing the face right now, but you can't see it. this? Wow, has to be a short steam train to even fit through there. This animation is very well put together.
One more thing, though. Where are we going?
Wait, where are they going? Is that the back rooms? Uh-oh. How is that thing still into one piece? How is that thing in one piece still? How is it not exploded? What is this?
The bell. Yes.
The bell? That's a doorknob. Or a keyhole. Into a clock? Where does this go? Oh, Santa Claus! It's the robot from Herblesheimer's. Wait, what was he doing there? But still, that face when he's like, that face he's like, I knew it. I knew he wasn't real. Also, what is the know-it-all guy doing there? What is he doing? Herblesheimer's! Herblesheimer's! Uh-oh. It's a trap. It's a death trap. Run. Well, they're gonna die. Oh, there they are. They haven't stopped yet. Nice. Bonus stunt points. Uh-oh. Stop! 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 Oh. Ow.
Nice to see you again.
Hey, what gives?
Nice to see you again. Hey, what gives? And in the air you go. And of course, you go into the star. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. My God!
That is more like it.
I like how he's just brushing it off, like, oh my God! Ah! Ah, that's more like it. Now we're here. Like, how does someone just brush that off easily instead of questioning, like, how did we just survive that? There he is. Santa Claus.
Santa! Santa! The Cool Rex is crashing through the power plant.
What?
The what now?
Oh
I forgot. Is there subtitles? Nope.
Hey, come back! Wait for me! Come on!
Oh no, what? My God! Uh-oh. They got flung. Look, they just got flung just towards the tree. Uh-oh. The sleigh is gone. But if anything, I kind of expected after the crash, I expected to hear something like my leg, or maybe that whatever it was called scream. Like I think it was called the Wilhelm scream. Like ah, I can't do it perfectly, but I think you get what scream I mean. Wait. The bell. The bell. You can't hear it. The puppet.
My friend. A screw! Santa Claus, this train, it's all a bunch of humbug!
Yay!
You are a
Oh my god, that fits so perfectly because it's the same actor, Tom Hanks. My god. And it also fits even more because Tom Hanks did almost every role there was to this movie. Like he did the hobo guy that was constantly disappearing. He did the conductor. He did Santa Claus. He did the kid's dad at the start of the movie. He does almost a lot. Like he does like over 4 characters in that movie. But yeah, he also did the puppet voice, which was being controlled by the hobo guy. So that completely fits having Woody's line just going, "You are a toy." Let's just keep going.
Okay, I believe.
Do you? Still nothing.
Gee, that's really too bad. Really?
Fix your glasses. Santa.
What was that you said?
I believe.
Well,
Oh!
we have a believer!
Yay! Midnight. Santa, you better get going. It's midnight.
Well, time to go!
What is that? Where's the tree going?
You didn't really think I flew around in that tiny sleigh. That's just...
What? That's how he gets around the world? Like, so it turns out he doesn't use a sleigh, he uses a rocket? How? I mean, there are so many theories on what he does to get around the world so quick in one night, and I guess this explains it. A rocket.
a prop.
Even in this he just said the sleigh's a prop.
Merry Christmas!
It's still early December, but I'll take it. My god. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, that explains it. Wait, Vector? Even Vector got... What did Vector get? He got a present and a McDonald's Happy Meal. In the wise words of Vector. Oh yeah! Amazing animation. And that's it. All right. All right, well, that's it for this video. Yeah. Thanks for watching. And yeah, go subscribe to Landon's Animation Wheelhouse. I think that's how it said it. Yeah, it's how it said it. Yeah, I had to double check in case I messed it up. But yeah, I put original link to the video in the description once this is able to be edited on my computer. and the link to the guy's channel will be in the title also and in the description. And just for the record, music that the music that I used for the intro and outro will be in the description also. Keep looking down there. It will be there as soon as I'm able to edit on my computer, which is going to be after this video is finished, which is basically now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for the next video. Peace out.